case. It's a date. Dude, I used to that show. I started watching it. And I would just go nuts because they'd have so much fun. Did not have that. And they'd be agreed. I think the first question was like 4 figures. I would,
because like if I have like a $200,000 case, it's like, how do you not just leave with the case? How do you not just leave with it? I don't know. Well, okay. The first time he offered me $200,000, I wouldn't wait for $1 million. I would wait for $100,000. That's enough for me. Did you ever?
Maybe she'll like me and she'll get it.
usually the percentage?
Does she know you're Ukrainian?
Is that the same show?
No, it's not. Well, you're thinking.
Well, one thing I expect all of you to know is to be able to take something out of Excel, like a graph from Excel, a chart from Excel,
Yeah.
put it into Word, and print it for Word. That's a skill you should all know.
How about we say that again, because I'm not really sure what you just said.
He just wants like the whole memo homework that we did.
Yeah, remember the memo?
Take the
Remember
charts
memo.
from Excel and
Remember the memo.
and paste them into Word.
This month, I just want to get clarification.
You're gonna make him angry.
I always make them angry. It's not really what I wanted.
I hope he gives you a completely customized test.
I don't love you.
Oh my god, outside I was talking to Artie because we found Artie.
Completely customized text. You're such a
He's
douche.
gonna ask you what domestic investment is in Paraguay. 2037. First quarter.
Remember
Oh, I haven't done that now. I'm doing microanalysis next month.
Micro.
What day is that? Is it Thursday?
Wednesday.
she's like, well, whatever.
That's not, no, that can't be. Because Wednesday and Saturday I'm uptown. So it's got to be.
No, I'm thinking micro theory.
It's got to be Thursday or Friday. Thursday. Okay.
Taking it?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know my schedule. I just know. Look, Wednesday through Saturday that works for me. I'm good.
Do you take the D train up to Rosa?
I don't know. I'm gonna find out.
Where do you live?
Central Park West.
Oh yeah. How far up?
Just right over at 106.
Yeah. Okay.
I found out from the mailman, Phil Collins, the singer, is my next door neighbor.
Really?
Like,
Nice.
yeah, next door. I'm like, I'd like to see the guy. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's probably never there.
You know Gautier sounds like Phil Collins.
I thought Gautier sounded more like
No, Kimbra is awesome.
Did you go Sting more than Phil Collins?
Absolutely.
I think so, yeah, that's why I like him so much. It was like,
I don't know if I like him that much.
I actually like the Desert Rose song. It's pretty bad. Don't want to admit that, but yeah. Yeah, it is pretty good.
they took that song off after 9/11.
Did they?
Yeah.
I like it.
Whatever, friends and yes.
Oh, you'll be able to flash.
You know what? This drink isn't that bad. I kind of like it.
It looks like you're
That looks like lemonade.
That's the problem. You get good experience in graphing. That's good. Well, an awful. This is what they call the kink and egg curve.
Oh.
Q is equal to 19.5. Minus 19.5 over 39.
5 minutes in. You want me to get that?
P. The man. This is P. P. This is the A. The man curve from A. And B. 20.5 24.7.
Get that Excel.
33. Now, let me just briefly explain the economic idea of this. If two firms
What's the first thing in demand?
form an oligopoly, so that's called a duopoly, for the two firms. And then one of the firms, each one of them will be faced with a funny kind of demand curve called kink demand curve. Let's say this is DA, this is DB. Demand curve. The idea is that this is the kink right here. This becomes the actual demand curve each one is facing. The reason is that consumers will always buy for the lowest provider. Up to this kink, the lowest provider would be A. But after that, if you buy in larger quantities, you're better off buying from B. So that's the actual demand curve. Now, corresponding to each of these demand curves is a marginal revenue curve. And the marginal revenue curve that goes along with A here. A's marginal revenue curve would be something like this. Up to the top. And after that, we switch to B, and this marginal revenue curve would be somewhere over here. So it looks like that. So the marginal revenue curve looks like that. Maybe steeper. The same rule always holds, that if you want to optimize the production, you should always produce at the point where the marginal cost is equal to the marginal revenue. This is ironclad rule in microeconomics. The difference between economics and all the other social sciences, we have rules like that that are based upon optimization. Now, if this is the case, and your marginal cost curve looks like this, and it crosses over here, then any shift in the marginal cost curve have a high probability of crossing over the same place. You get shift in the marginal cost curve, for example, from excise tax. You all know what an excise tax is. Somebody buy gas and pay an excise tax. It's a tax on the unit sold paid by the seller. That's an excise tax. If you buy a bottle of booze, you get excise tax. Government loves to give excise taxes on things that are sinful and legal. They call them sin taxes. If they legalize marijuana, you don't believe it, you have a big excise.
Yeah, in Washington, it's 70%.
They pay the shit.
Well, anyway, in that case,
Yep. They just
Q
announced
star
it.
will never change. But what you get is what they call a sticky quantity. And likewise, if that doesn't change, then the price will change. You get a sticky price. And this is what characterizes oligopoly: sticky prices, sticky quantities. The Keynesians have embraced this because they believe in sticky prices. And they argue that most of the industry in the United States is oligopoly, an oligopoly doesn't change their prices very quickly. Their prices are sticky. Now, so sticky, the quantity, right over here, you have the kink in the demand curve. That's why it's called kink demand curve problem. But a lot of people don't subscribe to this. It's been in and out of the literature over the last 40, 50 years, 60 years. But it's still in the literature, it's still around. So this is a problem that we're doing that kind of a graph. I want to bring up Excel.
You are absolutely right.
Where is it? Like, critical? Oh, hang on.
One. We'll have to put these in my hands.
I mean, I'm recording it, but. There we go.
There we go.
Slacker. No, Tuesday. Tuesday. Pretty weird. It's me. I'm every time I get to this top point of the game, it's your take a chair. I was starting to think I might email you. You're one of two people who email me twice or 3 times a week. Dude, I never phone you want to text just like this everybody.
Connected somewhere.
It's okay.
You just pass it, go down all the way. Yeah, change the band card. We're what?
This is the total cost of one meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sound like the intern.
That's right.
They're still on Saturday.
That's settled, but that would be that our paper ship, I don't hold your ship. So because I have a what you just did with no marks, this one right here, right?
Each one.
Average total cost.
And then we'll get the average total cost.
Which is just,
This starts to soon.
I am too smart for you.
Plus minus.
marginal cost.
Yeah. Why is it not working? It's supposed to stay on. Oh, I know why. That's why he did it. I don't know why.
And now we're going to develop a formula, quadratic formula to get the marginal cost.
Marginal revenue,
Marginal cost.
so another one. This is the QQ.
Marginal costs fall in between. So we start off at 1.5.
What is this happening to us? You must be kidding me.
This will be E1 plus that. Two times 2. So let me just remind you what we're doing, we did this earlier. We're getting a formula for the marginal cost. The marginal cost will be equal to some A plus B times Q plus C times Q squared. This is what we have to estimate, A and C. So we use regression then.
This minus this, right?
X is Q and Q3B or something.
Put marginal cost in for the Y part.
I didn't learn
X
it.
part we put in the What are we wrote in here? Here.
Oh, I did that wrong. Because I said labels.
So, our formula, the A part is out to be 17.97.
I think the first one is MC and then the next one is Q. But hey. You're asking specifics.
Y is
What's the question you have?
and then X is A.
Which regression goes where?
The B is this minus 3.25882.
You have to look at it like. Second, fourth, fifth, 15. Just for once.
And the C is this last part, all these twos. That's the C. So this gives us a formula now to get marginal cost for any Q, whether it's in between or on the dot, right on the dot. Okay? So that we got directly out of projection. So now we can get here. We can get the marginal cost function that we really want.
Okay, I did it.
Equal to 17.97 949 minus 3.25
Do this.
882 times Q. Q is over here.
This plus.
Plus 0.222202 times square Q times Q. So these are the marginal costs that correspond to even numbers, actually between them. Since they're money, we'll put it on dollars and cents. So this is the marginal cost that will actually apply. You see this 13.59, it's right in between the 11.22, right in between.
So it's up.
Now, the next thing we have to put in are the demand curves. The first demand curve, the demand curve, unfortunately, I put in terms of P. Q, we got to put them in terms of P. So if we bring this over to the other side, it becomes a minus 19.5 over 39. P is equal to 19.5 minus Q. Now, if we multiply both sides by 39, we'll get a minus 19.5. So this becomes a plus integrator. P is equal to 39 times 19.5 minus 39 Q. Now we can solve for P. P will equal 39 minus 39 over 19.5 Q. Right? So that's A. DA. DB. P will be equal to, I think this was 30. Check.
33.
33?
Yes.
I'm equal to 33 minus 33 over 24.7. So those are our two demand curves. Now I'm going to move all of this stuff into another place. I'm getting crowded with this one. So let's take this, copy it, and go here, green 2. Now we need the average total cost curve. We'll take that. Copy it. Do here.
Yeah, I think I should know this.
Doesn't look like money this way. So we'll look at the money. Now we'll go back here and get the large cost. Copy it. Go over to here. And paste that. Now we'll put in demand A. Or demand curve. So that would be equal to 39 minus, open parentheses, 39 slash 19.5, 12 parentheses times Q. We drag that. Now we'll do the same with marginal revenue. Marginal revenue of A. Right?
That's how we do it.
What I have to do is put 0 into it. Put that in here. Now, the marginal revenue is the same curve as the demand curve, except you multiply the slope term by 2. 2 times 39. How much is 39 and 39?
78.
78, right?
Yeah.
So equal to 39 minus, open parentheses, 78 divided by 19.5. Okay. Close parentheses star Q. Stop it out.
That's weird. These
That's marginal revenue.
Must be one.
Now we'll do B.
It's Q and Q. This was for the regression. This is for
Demand for B equals 33 minus, open parentheses, 33 divided by 24.7. So Q. I think we should extend it to the
Yeah.
Right?
Marginal
revenue
Of A.
Yes.
How do you get marginal revenue of that?
Difference of 2.
What?
Difference of 2. And then it just keeps on.
I'll get the marginal revenue of B.
No, 4. 4 cross. 39, 35, 31, 27, 23, 19, 15.
We do the
Difference of
same
4.
thing here. We double 33, we get 66. 33 minus 66 divided by 24.7. Star Q.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Right? Now, we want to get the kink demand curve. The kink demand curve will be the lowest of the two. You can see that B is lower than A, all the way down till we get to here. At this point. Then B is what I crossed right about here. So, we'll call this the demand curve, B.